Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will be showing you how to make your own customized cup using a cage heart technique. If this is what you would like to learn, let's get started. Okay guys, these are my pattern pieces I'll be working with. I got this from my tutorial on how to draft a Basque corset. Okay, you can check this in the description box. I'll be dropping the link there. So these are just 3 pattern pieces. You can make use of 2. I think they are the same. Now for this project, I'll be needing some materials: the peplum stay or collar stay or hard stay. Okay, one of the 3. Then I need boning as well, as you can see. Now the first step I'm going to be taking is to place these patterns on the stay and add ½ inch seam allowance all round it. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to cut out. And also this pattern, I will be using the same to cut the fabric. So I have the same thing on the stay and the same on the fabric. So I have, both fabric and the stay would be the same. Okay, so this is my fabric, and the next thing is for me to join the pieces together using a zigzag stitch. Okay, I think you can still achieve this with a straight sewing, but well, I think using a zigzag stitch for me is better. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to attach the upper part to it as well to make 3. Okay, to complete it. Can you see that it's taking shape bit by bit, and you just trim the excess as shown. Okay, so this is the upper one. I'm going to, can you see the way I'm joining it now? Okay, so this is the complete pattern, okay, that you should have once you finish joining the 3. So right now I'm going to be, this is the right side actually, so I'm going to be attaching my boning on the wrong side. The wrong side is the side without the gum, okay, while the right side is with the gum. Now this is my seam allowance that I added all round. Excuse me. So I'm drawing my line, the channels on which the boning is going to be placed. Okay, so the boning will run through from one side to the other, and these are horizontal lines. You are going to draw the lines vertically as well. So these lines are to serve as a guide for you when you are sewing in or attaching your boning to it. Can you see? So this is how you do it. The first thing is to map out the seam allowance, and then you begin to draw your lines, your curved lines as shown. So now I'm going to be attaching my boning. So you attach horizontally using your lines, the curved lines you drew earlier as your guide. So, and ensure that as you are sewing, you don't allow the boning to get to the seam allowance. Okay, because we are going to be trimming that out once we are done attaching the boning. So now boning has 2 sides. So once you sew one side, then you sew the other side, and you sew everything all round. Okay, so now I am, attaching my boning, sewing each of the boning channels on, both sides. Can you see? So you sew, you trim, ensuring that it doesn't get to your seam allowance. Okay, can you see that my half-inch seam allowance, the first line all round is intact? Okay, so now this is what I have. Can you see? So now I am done attaching vertically, and I will do it horizontal. You can do it whichever one you prefer anyway. It is either vertically first and horizontally later, or you do it horizontally or vertically. The most important thing is that the boning is well, attached or sewn to the cup. So can you see what I have now? Can you see it? So it's taking shape already. It's taking shape already. So now I'm going to be placing the boning all round. This is the last stage. Okay, so I'll just place the boning all round from top round to the other side. Okay, so this is the last step actually. So, and like I said, follow this transition just the way you've been doing it. Place it, ensuring that it doesn't get to your seam allowance. Okay, so this is just to secure the edges, to give the edge round, okay, structure as well. So this boning attachment is simply to give the whole cup structure, and this is very nice actually. It's very, very lovely. Okay, and it is trending now. So now what I have here is my seam allowance. Okay, so now for my fabric, I will be joining just like this using a straight stitch. Okay, so just join, and you join to the upper part like that. Okay, so now I'm done joining, and I need to iron. So I'll be ironing now, ensuring that the seam allowance is opened and well pressed flat, as you can see. So open wide the seam allowance. Okay, now I'm done ironing, and I'm attaching to my cup. Okay, my structured cup, and ensure that you attach properly with pins on the edges, and you iron very well. I mean, steam it properly so that it gums well, because the right side is actually where the gum is. And then once you are done with that, you will trim the the seam allowance all round, trim it out. Can you see it now? Trim it neatly. Okay, can you see I'm done trimming? Can you see how lovely it is? So this is so beautiful, and I think this is what we want. So you can actually attach the seam allowance, the fabric, to your whatever you want to attach it to. So thank you so much for watching, and ensure you subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on all my social media platforms. Thank you so much. Bye for now.